Through the month of June, all my videos are going to feature foods that you can take to your summertime picnics, your barbecues, your drunk uncle's house. None of them are going to do your beach body any good, but they all are tasty. So get ready for your summertime festivities with my videos in June. Hot chicken niblets, hot chicken bites, finger chicken, not sure what we're going to call it, but we're going to call it good. Should we get started? Absolutely. Got my gloves. Chicken breast. You could use chicken thighs if you like. I happen to have a breast left over from my dish I made the other day with the other half of the chicken. A cheesy chicken Alfredo dip. Be sure to check out that video. It was amazing. Absolutely amazing. But got leftover chicken, got to do something with it. Why not make up a spicy chicken bite? And I am just putting these into just little bite-sized pieces. You don't want them too big. You know, you want to try to make it to where it's going to be like a one bite goodness. You don't want to watch me do all this. So you know what? Let's just speed it up. In here, you've got equal parts of flour and cornstarch. We are adding salt and pepper, garlic powder. I had to think about that one for a minute. Onion powder and paprika. You can choose to use smoky paprika if you like, but wait, look through the recipe down in the description where that full recipe is, because we're making a spicy glaze that's going to go on here, and I don't think the smoky paprika is needed. But like I said, if that's all you have, use it. It's not going to hurt it. And as you can see, I do have a cup of water because this dry dredge is going to become a wet dredge, right? Oh, isn't that just crazy talk? I'm just mixing this up really well because I want to make sure to get the cornstarch that's in there and the flour just incorporated really well. Cornstarch just, when you do a shallow fry or deep fry of anything, cornstarch just gives it that like crispy little niblet type bits that flour just doesn't quite do on its own. Chicken into there. And you want to make sure and get them coated really well. All sides beautifully coated, just like that. Again, you don't need to see me do this one piece at a time, so we'll speed it up for you. Then just kind of dig through there. Make sure you didn't leave any little guys behind. The answer is nope. Got them all out. No chicken left behind. We leave nobody behind. Nobody. Now we're going to make a wet dredge. We don't want it to be a runny batter. You want it to have a little bit of viscosity. Viscosity? Is that the right word? Viscosity? Thickness. You want it semi-thick, but not so thick that it's clumpy. There, that is the consistency that you want. You want to be able to just kind of pull it away from the sides and see the bottom. Not going to cook all of this at once because you either run the risk of your oil losing its heat or boiling over if you pack it too full. So I'm just going to throw some of these into the wet dredge. I've got my fork, which makes it a lot easier, and make sure that they are well coated. Oh, just like that. Now, before you begin frying with oil, do we have a fire extinguisher? We do, just in case. And look at this fun little thing. This is my splatter guard, because if you cook shallow oil, you know it can go everywhere, and that crap hurts. Safety first, or third. Could be third. All right, I think we're good. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that down because it's starting to smoke a little bit, and let's just add some chicken. Ooh! And these are probably going to take about, I'm going to guess about 5 minutes total. And it depends on how big your chicken bites are as well as to, you know, how long it's going to take. So I am thinking three batches I think will be perfect. My little bowl to put them in. Now, if you are leery, go ahead and probe one to make sure that it is cooked through. If you have enjoyed this episode so far, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. And if you haven't, why? Why haven't you subscribed yet? It doesn't cost you anything. It doesn't cost you anything at all. You know what? Leave me comments too. I love reading all the comments that I get, and I do reply to all of them. And you know what? I'm always looking for new recipes. All right, let's go ahead and get those out. Those are looking fantastic. Let's get round 2 going. And again, you don't need to see me cook up the rest of this, so let's make our dredging sauce. I did not have just regular honey, So my spicy chicken bites, nublets, still not sure what I'm gonna call them. They're gonna have a little bit of a sweet undertone because this is a blackberry honey. Oh my gosh, it is hands down fantastic. Little sriracha, maybe not so little, and dark soy sauce. You can use regular soy sauce if that's all that you have. The dark soy sauce is just gonna lend a little bit more flavor to it. Slap it in the microwave, about 30 seconds. There we have it. That beautiful chicken that we did. I'm gonna put it into my bigger bowl, and you're just gonna dredge it with that sweet and spicy dredge that we made. Oh, it smells amazing. You don't wanna leave them in that dredge. You just wanna coat them and then take them out because otherwise you're just gonna lose the crispiness that we just got done frying to make happen. These would be a great appetizer. These would be great at like a 4th of July picnic. Just, you know what? Set a little package of toothpicks next to it. Pre-COVID, you were fine to manhandle anything you wanted. After the situation, toothpicks. There you have it. Sweet and spicy chicken bites, chicken niblets, nuggets. Still haven't figured out what I'm gonna call it yet. You could, if you wanted to, if you've got some sesame seeds, dump some sesame seeds on there. If you want to add a little chopped green onion, add some chopped green onion. Let's go ahead and try one because I bet they're good. Oh, they're hot though. That coating is perfect. It adhered beautifully to the chicken and it still has a little bit of that crunch to it. Not like crunch in your face crunch, but it definitely has crunch. That's sweet and spicy. That's sriracha. There's some good heat going on in there, but it's not like a, you know, kick you in the throat the kind of heat. It's just a slow little build up, but that's it. It's tasty. It's delicious. It was simple. It was easy. Great appetizer, great party food, game day food. You can't go wrong. So thank you again for taking time out of your day to spend it here with me at Annie's Smoking Pot. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye. Dude, right? Holy snapdragons.